Just in, 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring S model, Rollx, side entry, handicap, wheelchair conversion van. Beautiful condition, 39,000 miles, ceramic gray, black interior, black wheels, 18-inch wheel package. This is the S model that they don't make anymore. This thing is super bad. Beautiful condition, clean Carfax, clean title, no issues, no stories. Very, very nice van. Low mileage. Beautiful ceramic gray with black interior. S model. Cannot get these anymore. It is a special order. Beautiful condition with the embroidered seats. 39,959 miles. This is a Rollx side entry conversion with dual power side entry doors, of course. It does have an extra jump seat here. This does pop right out and come out, so you do have the full floor space for your wheelchair. This does have rear entertainment, big screen, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Van is gorgeous, no accidents, no stories. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. Beautiful 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L S package with the rear entertainment and the big screen. Power side entry conversion. Does have Rollx Q-strength tie down system in the floor. Hardcore rubber floor system. Does have your extra footrest, of course, and also does have the power inverter in the back if you have any extra equipment or anything that needs to be plugged in. So everything is here, good to go, runs and drives excellent, needs nothing at all, fully serviced. Beautiful, beautiful van. Don't hesitate to give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are 48 years in business. We are certified, authorized, Braunability service center and dealer. If you need any adaptive controls, transfer seats, any seating options, any tie down systems, lockdown systems, you just let us know. We are happy to help. We are one of the best places you can go to get any work done on your mobility vehicle. If you're local and you need some service, give us a call. We're happy to help. 954-561-2499. Does have heated seats, heated steering wheel, big screen. Everything is working and functioning, obviously, just the way it's supposed to. Gorgeous condition inside and out. Love this color combination. It is the best. If you're looking for a sharp handicap van, this is it. Very, very nice. There's no flaws for me really to point out. Van's ready to go. Tires are good. Beautiful black wheels. Front tires, I would say, are about 50% good on tread, and the rear tires are a little better than that. Overall, the van is super, super nice, clean. You know where to find us. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a like, give us a follow. We only have 5-star reviews. We can ship anywhere in the world. We have financing, over 50 different lending institutions. So don't hesitate to call us at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Does have that extra seat, which is an awesome function. Again, that extra seat does pop right out. It's nice if you have extra family members to carry around or friends. Gorgeous. 2021 Chrysler Pacifica S model, ceramic gray, black interior. Beautiful, beautiful van. You know where to find us. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a like, give us a follow. Thank you.